What's up, everybody? Check this out. I'm out on the Sherco 250 SE right now. It's dark and it's been a while since I've done a night ride. I'll tell you what, man, the level of gnarliness goes up about 17 notches when it's dark. This trail isn't super technical, at least, I mean, there's a couple spots here and there, but like, holy Jezebel, oh boy, you get it in the dark like this, these little switchbacks and everything, this becomes the real deal in the dark. And the thing is, I know what's off to the right hand side of me on some of this stuff. In some of those cases, it's no joke. You get off the trail. So yeah, fun times. It is a totally different thing at night, boy. Like, it's not even the same. Not even the same trails at night. So I'm running, the Sherco has a headlight. Honestly, it's pointed up a little bit too high. I'm running an Oxbow helmet light, and that's the only reason you can see I can see half as well as I can, is because of this helmet light. It's the more white light, that more warm yellow light, that is the dirt bike headlight. And I mean, it could get you back, like so this helmet light runs off a battery pack. The light on the bike is enough to slowly limp you back, which is good, but it's not enough, it's not a bright enough light, I would say, to really enjoy yourself on a night ride like I'm doing right now. So this helmet light is just stuck on the top of my helmet, using like a GoPro mount or whatever on the top of the helmet. And then there's a battery pack that sticks in my backpack, and you just run a cord up from the backpack up to your helmet light. So that's the way that works. It gets kind of sketchy though at night, because you're just like, dang, dude. It can be kind of I mean, you're out here with the mountain lions I don't know if it was last year or the year before, it might have been the year before. I was up in these mountains, not in this exact trail system, but nearby, and saw a freaking mountain lion right in the trail, which was super cool. I've seen mountain lions, I've seen bears, moose, coyotes, bobcats, obviously you see deer, I've seen elk, you know, but the mountain lion, the only time I've seen one was at night, and that was freaking sweet. So super cool to see that. But yeah, we've got almost a full moon. I don't know if you can see that up there. This moon just rose up over the hills, so that's nice to have. But yeah, just enjoying myself up here in the beautiful mountains on a late summer's evening here in September. Now, if you're watching this sucker in the month of September here in 2022, you should know that this bike is a sweepstakes bike, and all you have to do to win this thing is head on over to my website. Should be a link down in the description, dirtbikechannel.com. Not only am I giving away this amazing Sherco 250 SE, I'm also giving away my KTM 250 XC. These are literally my favorite two-strokes from both brands, Sherco and KTM, and the favorite ones that I've had. So that's awesome. Head on over there. It's 1 month only, just through the month of September. Multiple ways to get entered. No purchase necessary obviously. Haven't been on this section of trail this year. It's a trail system I know relatively well, though. This Sherco's just handling this like a champ, you know, because I believe I'm in second gear, and not maybe moving with quite as much forward speed as I normally would, just because of the fact that it's so dark. I'm moving with most of the speed, but you just got to take a little bit of stink off in the nighttime, because you just can't see quite as well. With these lights I can see almost 100%, but you also get tunnel vision, and it's almost like a vertigo thing, like that you get, because you just can't see anything. Like, you don't have basically anything out of your periphery, and so it's almost like you get this tunnel vision effect, which is always really weird. Every time I go riding at night, because I don't do this a lot, I'll go night riding, you know, really only a couple, 2 or 3 times a year, to be honest. And this is the first time this year, first time this year that I've even done it. And it takes a sec to kind of get used to. To kind of get your mind right or whatever. But it's a fun little change. And I mean, if you have the ability to go out and do it, it's actually still rather warm. We've been having like a really crazy warm stretch here. Record heat. Here in Utah for September, and so it was 100 degrees today near Salt Lake City, and so I'm up, you know, climbing all the time. We're probably up 8,500 feet, maybe 9,000 feet right now, so we're starting to cool off. It feels really good, but I am sweating. I mean, that tells you it's still pretty warm. And you know, you're always working on the bike anyway. I'm always working, so